Look at this sweet little bird. Let's draw it. First, can you draw its eye? Yellow. Now, let's draw the body. You can make it any color you want to. Green. Can you draw a beak, please? And now, this bird needs a wing. Brown. Let's give the bird a foot now. And the second foot too. Can you draw a beautiful feather on the tail now? Green. Pink. Now another nice feather. Green. And finally, the third feather. Magic color. The tail is done. Let's play with this cute bird. Let's do some more. Look at this cute teddy bear. Let's draw it now. Let's start by drawing a head. You can paint it any color you want. Brown. Now, can you draw a nose? Magic color. Let's draw a mouth. The teddy bear needs an ear. Brown. And another ear. You're doing a fantastic job. Let's draw and paint the body now. Blue. Can you draw one paw, please? Orange. And one more paw. Now, let's draw a bottom paw. Magic color. And the final paw. What a wonderful teddy bear you've drawn! You're a real artist. Now, let's play with it. I love playing with you. Now, get ready to draw a goose. Let's start by drawing a head. Blue. Now it's time to draw a beak. Dark gray, yellow, orange. Can you make a long neck? Brown. Wonderful! Now the goose needs a body. You can draw one or paint one whatever color you want to. Green. Can you draw a wing? Wonderful! Now the goose needs a body. You can draw one or paint one whatever color you want to. Blue. Orange. Can you draw a wing? Magic color. Red. Magic color. Red. Pink. Now, let's draw a foot. Can you draw a wing? Now, let's draw a foot. Dark gray. And one more foot. Look at the happy goose you drew. You're a great artist. It's time to play with this silly goose. Let's draw a... Look at this little duck. Can you draw it? First, let's start with an eye. Yellow. Can you draw a head now? Orange. It's time to draw a beak. Yellow. Now, let's draw the body. Magic color. How beautiful! Can you draw a wing? Orange. Magic color. This duck needs feet. Can you draw a duck foot? Brown. And one more duck foot. Look at this sweet little duck. You're a great artist. Let's play with the duck now.